Just want to show you real quick my ride to prove that I am number one. Look at this. Look at, yeah, like, I mean, I don't know, my tablet messed up, but look at the speakers in the back. Well, you can't look at me, you gotta look at the speakers, so hold on. Let's see, I got junk in my trunk, in my truck, and in my pants. Sorry, kids. Look at the interior. Okay, I've got that view in the back. Oh shit, you can see my speakers right there. Yeah, I ride like that. Clean, not dirty. Never dirty, okay? Don't do that. Don't ride dirty. I smoked a chia pet one time when I was a kid and it just didn't work out for me. So I assumed all drugs were like that. Plus, I don't want to be paranoid and think that Obama's bad or Trump is bad. I don't want to think that things are weird with the sky. I mean, everything's normal, people, okay? I mean, get over yourselves. Can't you just enjoy beauty like my face or my truck? I mean, I couldn't have all this if I wasn't number one. You can't be number one when you're paranoid. None of my helmets have tinfoil on them, okay? Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go to work. Bye.